Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. It is a very obvious fact that we are all learning German, but your aim, your goals are different. Some of you want to study in Germany, some of you want to have a good job opportunities and better career opportunities. Therefore, you are all learning German. In today's video, I am going to talk about how can you get a certificate, a valid certificate in order to study in Germany. What type of certificate is required, whether it is TestDaF certificate or Goethe certificate. So let me make this point very much clear that both the certificates are relevant and internationally accepted. It is your choice whether you want to acquire Goethe C2 level certificate or TestDaF certificate. Because if you want to study in Germany in German program, German proficiency you need to showcase. You need to give evidence that you have appropriate German language knowledge. For that, you need to pass Goethe C2 level certificate, which is asked by most of the universities. In some cases, it is C1 level, but mostly universities ask for C2 level Goethe certificate. This certificate you can get in India or abroad. Goethe certificate can be acquired in any country where Goethe centers are available. In India, there are many Goethe centers in big cities. You can go and pass the examination, and after some time you get the certificate. Similarly, TestDaF exams are also conducted in India in various centers. The list of the centers can be seen on their website, testdaf.de. Type of questions, model test papers are also available on their websites. The certificate which is given by TestDaF, or after passing the TestDaF examination, you get a certificate, and it is equally valid, it is equivalent if you want to study in Germany. TestDaF certificate is mostly required by the students. Okay, it mostly asks from the students in order to study in Germany in German program, either in bachelor or in masters. But the minimum gradings, the minimum point that you need to acquire in TestDaF is 4 points. 4 into 4, that means reading, writing, speaking and listening, all the skills you need to have 4 points each. This is the grade, this is the point which is accepted by most of the universities. If you get 5 points, it's wonderful, it's excellent. But minimum 4 points you need to acquire out of 5. It's quite challenging, it's not that much easy. That is why I always advise you to have up to B2 level knowledge, and then you can appear for TestDaF. Next important thing is that when you are appearing for TestDaF examination, when you register yourself for the TestDaF examination, you don't need to showcase any kind of certificate that you have B2 level knowledge or B1 level knowledge. It's your decision, it's your right of giving the examination, whether you want to go ahead or you want to acquire some more knowledge, because it's your time and your money. If you fail, then you have to appear again, you have to give again examination fees. So it's quite expensive. So it is advisable that you have sufficient appropriate knowledge so that you can appear for TestDaF and you can easily pass just in one go. The types of question, the model test papers and the sample papers are available on the TestDaF website. No need to worry. Just click on the testdaf.de and you get the registration form, the other requirements and the types of questions they are asked. In bookstore also you can get TestDaF model test papers. Practice, go through the sample papers and you will get an idea what kind of questions are asked and where do you stand, what is your current level. So go and must check model test papers and start your preparation from now onwards. I wish you all a lot of good luck. Still, if you have any query, please write in the comment. I will reply. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.